What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Eric. In today's video we are in Vegas at Dream Racing and we are going to be driving some race cars on track.
Thanks a lot. Have fun today.
Thanks.
See ya.
Steve will do it. Dude, oh that was the craziest video, like it's so hot. Dude, it's
You're not trying to
nice.
It's so nice.
Alright guys, we just made it to Vegas. We are actually going to be stopping at the dispensary real quick and then we're gonna go check into our Airbnb. We're gonna be going out tonight. I don't think I'm gonna bring the camera along, so I will see you guys tomorrow when we head to the Speedway to go drive some race cars. Alright guys, we just got suited up. We're about to head out on track.
Shit 400 degrees.
Yeah, I said move. Shawty say she like the way I move. Going through my options now like I don't have to choose. All my fucking life, bitch, I been breaking the rules. Flow covered in hundreds, now my shoe bottoms is blue. Bitches stripping where we should be playing pool. I wouldn't question if he carry, cause he do. You would think I'm military, how I'm at it with the troops. Get to sipping off the roof into the pool. Getting money, all we do. Got my pockets, got the blues. On my body, all the proof. Foreign whipped and walk the roof. Y'all cars are young, I'm cool. She lost in my crib, can't find my room. Don't miss when I shoot. Skirt off in a coupe. I don't see a flaw, all these smalls can get the boot. They on my shoe, I'm on the loose. Quick up what karma do. Dropped out of school to get that dough, cause that's what karma do. Shawty say she like the way I move. Going through my options now like I don't have to choose. All my fucking life, bitch, I been breaking the rules. Flow covered in hundreds, now my shoe bottoms is blue. Bitches stripping where we should be playing pool. I wouldn't question if he carry, cause he do. You would think I'm military, how I'm at it with the troops. Get to sipping off the roof into the pool. She wanna fuck, she in the mood, I pull a cutlass, that's a deuce. My team wins, see we don't lose, that's why they tryna make a truce. I'm going green, I feel like Bruce. Stomp a fool like he a goon, but shoot a shell like I'm a goop. Don't hit threes, but boy I hope. Getting money, all we do. Got my pockets, got the blues. On my body, all the proof. Foreign whip and walk the roof. Y'all cars are young, I'm cool. She lost in my crib, can't find my room. Man, I move. Shawty say she like the way I move. Going through my options now like I don't have to choose. All my fucking life, bitch, I been breaking the rules. Flow covered in hundreds, now my shoe bottoms is blue. Bitches stripping where we should be
just got done racing, got our race suits taken off. We had an amazing time here at Dream Racing. Make sure you guys check them out. There'll be a link down in the description. Make sure you guys throw a like on this video if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to check out some more content. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Guys, we got a situation here. Somebody just stole a car on track. Swear to God, somebody just stole a car. He's driving it and he's not stopping.